So, I'm gonna try out this new Gazelle T-4 Overland Edition. Speaking Overlandy. Oh boy. How the fuck is this alright? How the fuck is this okay? How do people think this is okay? How is this okay? I love it. You guys like maxi pads? I think they're wonderful. Huh? This is alright. This is fine. What do you suppose is in that bag? It's disgusting. Really? Here's the thing, man. Toilet paper don't go away. This is fucking gross. This fucking horse shit didn't exist 3 years ago. It wasn't everybody camping in the woods, fucking up the woods. Whatever. I think this is going to be the last video I make on this channel. So let's everybody knows my luck with tents. Let's see what this tent's like, huh? I don't know, man. These motherfuckers, fuck you. You guys fucking suck. Well, this looks like a good area to set up the tent. I'll be honest, guys. I really think this is my last camping trip. I mean, I'll camp with my friends, whatever, like when they do their family things, but free camping in a forest, I think I'm done. I mean, it's a real fucking shame. But let's see what this Gazelle tent's all about. I mean, I bought it. I might as well sleep in it at least one night, right? But I'm over it. I'm over it. This is the one thing that ever brought me joy was camping and four-wheeling. I'm kind of not into it. I should be totally into this. It's a pretty cool tent. At least that's what they say. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. I've never opened this thing up, so I guess we'll see. I don't really like Velcro, but I guess it works. I have my doubts about the 90-second setup, but I'm guessing this is the ground cloth. Oh. Might not even need that tarp. That ground cloth seems pretty that's a pretty heavy-duty stuff, actually. All right. So, let's see what this thing all about. A lot of people be like, why don't you read the directions? What fun is that? Let's see. So looks like a front door. So we'll go this direction here. Let's see what we got. Ooh. All right. What is this all? There we go. There's no doubt about it. Alright, there, this is the 90-second one over here. Oh, yeah, that's the 90-second one there. Yeah. There we go, here we go. Oh, it's pretty big with the doors. Where's the doors at? Oh, doors over here. All right. All right. Open some windows. There we go, we got windows. Try her out for the night, huh? I don't like not having a vestibule outside. Kind of weird. I don't like to have my boots inside, but whatever. Show you the inside. 22 minutes. That's how long the video was to get it where it's at now. So pretty roomy and plenty of windows. So yeah, it's nice. It's tight though. That's tight. That's tight. Let's see, tight zippers fail. So let's see if we can't find a happy spot for them. Maybe in the middle. But tight zippers eventually give up the ghost. There she is, the first night in the tent. I slept really good. All I had was a thermarest and a sleeping bag that was a little too warm. So, a couple things I have concerns with this tent. You can see it's kind of crooked. Well, the top is more so on this side. Like this pole here doesn't really bow up the way it should. It's kind of, I don't know, it's just, it's a weird design. I've never had to deal with one like this. I guess this is all normal. But when we come inside here, the tent seems pretty well built. The floor is super heavy duty. And apparently, you're able to replace the floor, which I guess that's kind of cool. I'm not a huge fan of Velcro. I'm not a huge fan of anything Velcro because Velcro don't last. But plenty of room. It's nice inside. Lots of windows. All right, lots of windows. All right, let's make our coffee and talk about this tent. Is it the perfect tent for me? Maybe. I don't know why I just did that. Maybe. Could be the perfect tent for me. I slept good in it. It's got good ventilation. If it ever rains, we'll know if it's waterproof. It's heavy, it's big. I guess those are the downsides to it. Takes up quite a lot of real estate in the 4Runner, but I like it. We'll see how it goes back in the bag. That's the other thing, right? It did deploy quickly. Well, let's tear this thing down. I suspect it's better to peg it out before you deploy it. We'll try that next time. The tent guys are pretty nice. There's like a mystery stain in the fabric. I don't know if you can see that. It is what it is. Everything we get is made in China and decent, right? I've got backpacking tents that were more expensive than this, so hey, if this thing lasts 5 years, I'll be happy. I guess we'll zip it all up. All right. Get these. Alright, let's see. See if it matters which one you push in. Or maybe opposite. Opposite seems to do good. It don't get any easier than that, does it? Yeah. Pretty happy. That's pretty painless. A lot of people said they had a hard time getting the ground cloth back into the bag, but I think I'll treat it like everything else. I like to stuff, not full. But it's in there. It's been my experience with D-rings and Velcro that they don't last a super long time. This is a nice little shoulder pad though. Yeah, there you have it, guys. I dig it. I dig it.